Hi, I'm Georgina and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these amazing felt succulents which I've used to fill this wooden letter. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need a wooden letter, felt in different neutral tones, a free template downloaded from the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, some scissors, a glue gun, and a pencil. Print out the handy template from the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub and cut out each of the shapes. Draw around the templates onto the coloured felt, repeating in a mixture of colours. To fill the letter, you will need to make a combination of the different succulent styles and sizes, and cut out each of the shapes. For the star, round, wavy and pointy succulents, put a small line of hot glue in the centre of a small petal and fold the petal at an angle. Add a line of hot glue to the bottom edge and roll into a cone shape to create the centre. Top tip: use the flat of your scissors to flatten the bottom of the succulent after adding each layer. This also helps cool the glue more quickly. For the rest of the petals, put a line of hot glue in the centre and fold at an angle. Add a line of hot glue to the bottom of the petal and attach the centrepiece. Continue adding pieces in a circular pattern. Follow the petal counts in the downloadable template for each size you make. Repeat these steps for the two similar designs. To make pom-pom succulents, cut a long rectangle from a sheet of felt. Put a line of hot glue along one of the longer edges and fold. Once dry, snip into the folded edge of the felt. Roll the felt along the long edge and place a small dab of hot glue to secure. For the small petal plant, put a line of hot glue along the longest edge of the rectangle piece and carefully roll, placing another line of hot glue to secure it to make a stem. To add the petals, put a small line of hot glue to the bottom edge and wrap around the top of the roll. Continue adding the petals along the stem, carefully spacing and layering them. For the succulent leaves, put a small line of hot glue in the centre of the base of the leaf and pinch together. Repeat until you have done this for all the leaves. Put a small dab of hot glue on the edge of the pinched base and stick together. Alternate sides until you have completely stuck your leaves together. Once you've made your succulents, take your fillable letter and map out where they will go. Once you're happy with the design, start with the largest pieces and glue them into place. Then you can use your smaller succulents to fill the gaps. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. We'd love to see your comments and we'll see you soon for another video.